Welcome budget-savvy adventurers to a world of unforgettable experiences that won't break the bank. In this guide, we'll unveil 25 thrilling travel experiences for those who crave excitement but weren't born with a trust fund. 25 takes us to the mystical ruins of Machu Picchu. Experience the awe of trekking the Incan Trail, a 4-day journey through breathtaking landscapes. Camp under the stars and witness the sunrise over this ancient wonder. Tip: book in advance and consider shoulder seasons for lower trekking fees. 24. Escape to the Philippines, where pristine beaches and crystal clear waters beckon. Island hop in Palawan and swim alongside turtles in Apple Reef. Explore untouched paradises without the hefty price tag. Tip: use local transportation and dine at neighborhood eateries. 23. Witness the Great Migration from the sky in a hot air balloon safari over the Serengeti. Soar above endless plains, spotting Africa's iconic wildlife from a unique perspective. Tip: book last-minute deals for discounted balloon safaris. 22. Hit the open road on a campervan adventure through New Zealand's breathtaking landscapes. Discover fjords, glaciers, and lush forests while saving on accommodation. Tip: cook your meals and take advantage of free campsites. 21. Immerse yourself in India's rich culture. From the bustling markets of Delhi to the serene backwaters of Kerala, explore a diverse land filled with ancient traditions. Tip: stay in budget guest houses and savor street food. 20. Venture into the dramatic Icelandic highlands, a land of glaciers, volcanoes, and hot springs. Hike the Lagavega Trail and be surrounded by nature's wonders. Tip: opt for DIY camping and pack your meals. 19. Southeast Asia offers budget-friendly adventures aplenty. Backpack through Thailand's jungles, explore Cambodia's ancient temples, and relax on Vietnam's stunning coastlines. Tip: use overnight buses and haggle for the best deals. 18. Set sail for the Greek islands, where azure waters meet whitewashed villages. Charter a sailboat or join a group tour to explore hidden coves and historic sites. Tip: travel during the shoulder season for lower charter prices. 17. Explore the stunning California coastline on a road trip along the Pacific Coast Highway. Marvel at rugged cliffs, pristine beaches, and iconic landmarks like Big Sur. Tip: camp at state parks and enjoy affordable seafood shacks. 16. Make a difference while exploring Nepal. Volunteer opportunities abound, from teaching English to supporting local communities, all while surrounded by the majestic Himalayas. Tip: research reputable volunteer organizations for affordable placements. 15. Embark on a wildlife safari in Costa Rica's lush rainforests. Spot toucans, sloths, and elusive jaguars while ecolodges offer eco-friendly accommodation. Tip: book tours directly with local guides for competitive prices. 14. Lose yourself in Morocco's bustling Medinas, where vibrant souks offer a treasure trove of exotic goods. Bargain for rugs, spices, and intricate crafts. Tip: sharpen your haggling skills and shop where locals shop. 13. Dive into the heart of the Amazon rainforest in Peru. Navigate winding rivers, spot rare wildlife, and immerse yourself in this unparalleled ecosystem. Tip: opt for budget ecolodges and guided jungle hikes. 12. Discover the mesmerizing landscapes of the American Southwest. Road trip through Arizona and Utah to encounter red rock canyons, iconic arches, and ancient ruins. Tip: utilize national parks passes and free campsites. 11. Embark on a cultural odyssey in Japan. From Kyoto's temples to Tokyo's vibrant neighborhoods, embrace traditions and modernity in one unforgettable journey. Tip: use local transport passes for affordable city travel. 10. Dare to dream big with an expedition to Antarctica. Witness the untouched beauty of the icy continent, where penguins and whales thrive. Tip: keep an eye out for last-minute cruise deals. 9. Challenge yourself with a thru hike of the Appalachian Trail. Trek through the eastern U.S. wilderness and experience the magic of the great outdoors. Tip: plan resupply points and carry lightweight gear. 8. Ride the waves in Nicaragua, a surfer's paradise with consistent breaks and warm waters. Whether you're a beginner or expert, the Pacific Coast has a wave for you. Tip: rent boards locally for affordable surf sessions. 7. Delve into the unique ecosystems of the Galapagos Islands. Snorkel with marine iguanas, spot giant tortoises, and marvel at the incredible biodiversity. Tip: book last-minute cruise deals from local agencies. 6. Venture into Patagonia's wild beauty, where glaciers and rugged peaks await. Hike the iconic trails of Torres del Paine and Fitzroy, experiencing nature at its finest. Tip: choose budget accommodations and prepare for diverse weather. 5. Step back in time amidst the ruins of Angkor Wat in Cambodia. Wander through ancient temples and uncover the mysteries of this UNESCO World Heritage Site. Tip: hire a local guide for insightful tours. 4. Sail the pristine waters of Croatia's coastline, studded with picturesque islands. Discover historic towns, hidden coves, and a Mediterranean paradise. Tip: consider joining a group tour for shared boat expenses. 3. Take your sense of adventure to the Philippines, where canyoneering leads to hidden waterfalls. Plunge into turquoise pools and experience adrenaline-pumping descents. Tip: book canyoneering tours with local operators. 2. Embark on a journey to the vast Mongolian steppes. Sleep in traditional jairs, ride horses across the endless grasslands, and connect with nomadic herders. Tip: opt for homestays to experience nomadic life up close. We conclude our budget adventure with a mesmerizing spectacle. Number 1 is the Northern Lights in Lapland, Finland. Witness the ethereal dance of colorful lights in the Arctic sky. Tip: visit during the shoulder season for Northern Lights tours at lower prices. There you have it, 25 thrilling travel experiences for budget-conscious adventurers. Adventure awaits around the globe, and with careful planning and budgeting, you might be able to afford travel and pay those bills. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel inspiration. Happy exploring!